Shandong Honrel, founded in 2016 and headquartered in Zibo City, Shandong Province, the heart of China's chemical and plastic manufacturing hub, leverages unparalleled regional resources and supply chain advantages. This enables us to deliver diverse, high-quality agricultural greenhouse products to global clients with exceptional efficiency and reliability. Driven by innovation, we maintain a dedicated R&D team and advanced production facilities, possessing strong independent development capabilities. ISO 9001 certified processes ensure stringent multi-stage inspections. Our commitment to excellence is underscored by stringent, multi-stage quality control processes, ensuring every product meets rigorous performance and durability standards. Supported by reliable, professional customer service personnel offering one-on-one dedicated support, we provide comprehensive quality assurance and after-sales service. With decades of specialized greenhouse industry experience, we serve farmers, distributors, and agricultural projects across Asia, Africa, Europe, and the Americas. Based on our hard work and wonderful group spirit, we will promote and popularize our products in more countries. Our profound understanding of regional climates, diverse crops, and cultivation challenges allows us to deliver tailor-made, high-performance solutions. Guided by our core philosophy, technology inspired by life, advantage forged through innovation, cooperation built on sincerity, we seek to establish deep, lasting partnerships worldwide. We are devoted to providing superior products and services through advanced, R&D-driven solutions, and compromising quality, competitive pricing, and first-class marketing and after-sales support. We are committed to providing superior customer service and top-quality products at all times. Choose Shandong Honrel as your trusted partner for premium greenhouse solutions.